Creating and managing content with tools such as Ibexa Content is easier than ever before. Let's take an example of adding an image to the rich text field of this blog post. Let's edit, upload an image, and there we go. Next, let's publish it. Exactly what you would expect. An image is uploaded and it's already live on the website. However, there are some shortcomings to this. For accessibility, it would be good to have a text description of the image. Often these are not defined because they're not required and it's not obvious you need to add them. This is a case where we could use Quantum Connect to automate the entry of this information. Here in Quantum Connect we have a scenario which has 4 parts. The first part is to watch content items. In this case, it's configured to look for new images that are created. The next step is for Quantum Connect to download the file so OpenAI can work with it. In the next step, we connect to Whisper, which is an API which allows working with content. One feature is describing an image in text format. OpenAI support comes built in with Quantum Connect. The next step is updating the content item to use this description. So here we have a connection to Ibexa DXP to update the alternative text of that image directly into its own database. Let's take a look at how this would run for our example image. Here you can see the scenario ran successfully through all the steps. You can also have a closer look if you need the exact details for refining your automation. But this is not something you need to do. The process will be handled automatically in the background. Now let's go back to our Ibexa DXP backend. Here we can view the relationships between items in the content repository. You can see the alternative description field now has the generated text in it. In addition, it's worth noting that all of the interactions with Ibexa DXP and Connect use the standard API, so you can still get details like version information. For example, here you can see the updates were done by Connect at a specific date and so on. In addition, you will also find all of the Ibexa DXP functions, such as search, fully working for the imported content. This is an example of how you could use Quantum Connect to make life easier for your editors, as well as more accessible to your visitors.